As far back as human history goes, mankind has relied on the oceans and rivers for food and transportation. Whether we are crossing the sea by boat, interacting with marine life, or engaging in research, it is imperative that we have a decent understanding of the bodies of water on our planet. This need was recognized back in 1919, when the first International Hydrographic Conference agreed to the formation of a global body to oversee the survey and the mapping of the world's waters. And so, 2 years later, the International Hydrographic Bureau, later International Hydrographic Organization, or IHO, was born. Hydrography is the science that measures and describes the physical features of the world's seas, oceans, and other bodies of water. In today's world, hydrography touches on many important areas, such as navigation safety, marine protection, marine exploration, defense, and security, as well as support of economic development, in particular towards the blue economy. International shipping has become the backbone of globalization, accounting today for nearly 90% of all transport by volume. The increased global exchange of goods is safe and efficient, thanks specifically to harmonized nautical charting. And in our digital world, ship's navigation has become far more complex, requiring increasingly improved standardization and coordination. Over the years, the world has become ever more interconnected, but the gathering, processing, and dissemination of marine information still remains under local human control along the coasts of continents and countries. Cross-border cooperation is therefore indispensable. This is why the IHO aims to bring together stakeholders at national, regional, and international levels. We invite industry, academia, and non-governmental entities to be a part of what we do.
Accurately mapping the seabed is critically important to the safety of navigation. Now more than ever before, hydrography is fundamental in providing the knowledge and information necessary to protect and to sustainably develop our oceans. The IHO plays a crucial role in leading these efforts, and Fugro is proud to support the IHO and its member states in improving our understanding of the waters that cover most of the planet.
Hydrography is a key part of any national coastal state's infrastructure and serves all activities related to the marine, estuarine, and inland environments. It is thus a vital element to allowing informed decisions to be made. Our mission is to facilitate the provision of such adequate and timely hydrographic information. Thanks to the standardization and coordinating activities, IHO member states are able to transform this data into maritime knowledge for the benefits of all who have economic and ecological connections with the seas and their oceans.
Historically, hydrography primarily contributes to the safety of navigation through nautical charting. But today, the scope of those who have a use for hydrographic data, products and services is much wider. All sorts of economic explorers, marine environmentalists and policymakers need knowledge about all the physics of the seas. Hydrography can deliver this, but to draw a consistent image, it needs standardization, cross-border coordination, and a collaborative approach.
Proudly headquartered in Monaco, the IHO has grown from just 18 founding member states. It is one of the oldest intergovernmental organizations in the world. The IHO has a contemporary digital presence. With communication at the center of our changes, we have renewed corporate design and logo, an improved website, social media feeds, and a comprehensive document provision system. Coastal developments, global warming, the pollution of our oceans and waterways, overfishing, and rapidly growing water-based transport networks all pose challenges that can only be overcome by working together. Currently, only 18% of depth information of all seas and ocean areas is available, and a much lesser percentage is covered to an accuracy which complies with current state of technology. By governments, organizations and corporations pooling resources and expertise under a single banner, we have the means to chart, monitor, and share information rapidly to know more, work more efficiently, and better understand our planet.
Teledyne Marine and Teledyne Carriers congratulates the IHO of 100 years of protecting our seas. Teledyne supports the IHO in sustainable use of the marine environment through the largest array of advanced and highly integrated technology.
The next big step in practices at sea we expect is autonomous operation. This will require the seamless integration of hydrographic, oceanographic, and meteorological knowledge, which is always highly accurate and up to date. And this is ultimately a role for the IHO to play. The IHO invites all who share a relation with the oceans and seas, all who understand the importance of this work, and all who take responsibility at their local or national levels to become a part of what we do. Together, we can make a difference.